You know, I've been wondering, are facelifts really as scary as they sound? I just read this detailed piece about them, and it's fascinating.
Really? I've always thought facelifts were, kind of intimidating. So, are they not as bad as we think?
Exactly. It turns out they're not as frightening as we imagine. In fact, people can look 10 to 20 years younger, and it looks totally natural.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
That's incredible. So who would be the right candidate for a facelift?
Well, anyone starting to notice sagging skin on their face. Some people see it in their late 30s, but it varies. There are different procedures to match different levels of sagging.
Different procedures?
Yeah.
Can you break those down for me?
Sure. There are basically 4 types: temporal lift, mini facelift, anterior facelift, and full facelift. Each targets specific areas of the face.
Interesting. What's a temporal lift?
So, the temporal lift focuses on the temples and can even lift the outer eyebrows.
Okay.
The incision is hidden in the hairline, so scarring is minimal.
That's great. And the mini facelift?
The mini facelift targets the upper face down to the nasolabial folds. It's less invasive and perfect for early signs of aging.
What about the anterior facelift?
That one addresses sagging in the lower face, even slightly below the chin.
Right.
Incisions are along the front of the ear, blending with natural contours.
So the full facelift covers everything?
Exactly. It lifts the entire face and neck.
Wow.
Ideal for significant sagging.
Sounds comprehensive. But do these surgeries look, natural?
Actually, if done by an experienced surgeon, they look very natural.
Really?
It's all about technique and understanding facial anatomy to avoid that pulled look.
But I've seen some people who look overdone after a facelift. Are you sure it's always natural?
Well, that often happens when the procedure isn't done properly.
I see.
Choosing the right surgeon is crucial for natural results.
That's reassuring. How about recovery time? Is there a lot of bruising and swelling?
Surprisingly, there's minimal bruising and swelling.
Oh?
Most people can have stitches out in 1 to 2 weeks, and might be out and about in just a few days.
That's quicker than I thought. So would you say facelifts are worth considering?
Definitely. If you're looking to rejuvenate your appearance significantly, it's a direct and effective option. And when combined with procedures like microfat lipofilling, the results can be even better.
Microfat lipofilling? What's that exactly?
It's where tiny amounts of your own fat are injected into areas like the forehead, under eyes, or around the mouth to restore volume. Plus, the stem cells in the fat help improve skin quality.
That sounds fantastic. But some people might still be nervous about surgery.
That's totally understandable.
Yeah.
Consulting with a skilled surgeon can really help alleviate those fears. It's not as scary as it seems.
I guess it's all about finding the right professional then.
Exactly. Choosing an expert ensures natural results and minimizes risks. So, It's time to consider turning back the clock.
Maybe it is. Thanks for shedding light on this.
My pleasure. Always happy to share exciting info.
Same
Let's keep
here.
the conversation going.